Many people are familiar with horseradish because it is often used in sauces and gravies. However, few are aware of the intricate process involved in growing horseradish and processing it into a usable product. In this video, I'll be taking you on a tour of a horseradish factory and how the horseradish farming process is done. Horseradish is a root vegetable known for its pungent odor and spicy flavor. Its compounds may provide a variety of health benefits, such as fighting cancer, infections, and respiratory issues. Some people even believe that horseradish can help improve circulation and digestion. Whether you love it or hate it, horseradish is a unique vegetable worth trying. This crop is grown primarily in Europe and North America. Let's discuss horseradish farming and horseradish processing in factories now. It is for this reason that we have come to this horseradish farm to show you how horseradish is produced. The process of horseradish farming starts with the planting of seedlings. Here, workers are separating the roots from the horseradish. This is done by hand, which takes lots of patience, attention, and focus from the workers. After the branch roots have been separated, they are taken for plantation. Workers use tiller machines to dig small holes on the land and drop seedlings very quickly, and within an hour they can cover a lot of land with seedlings. Pests can be a big problem for plantations and farmers. To help prevent them, workers use pesticides. This helps keep pests from getting into crops and ruining them. Workers also remove weeds from the lands. Weeds can compete with crops for water and nutrients. They can also provide a place for pests to live and hide. After just a few months, horseradish is ready to be harvested. As you can see from the video, the workers are working extremely hard to harvest the remaining roots. They are using a small tool to cut around the tough horseradish roots. This process is extremely labor-intensive, but it is necessary in order to produce the high-quality horseradish that our customers have come to expect. The horseradish must be harvested at the perfect time in order to ensure the best quality. If the horseradish is harvested too early, the flavor will be lacking. If the horseradish is harvested too late, the flavor will be overly strong. The ideal time to harvest horseradish is when the flavor is just right. After harvesting and scrubbing the horseradish until clean, a decision is made as to what to do with them. In the next stage, they are processed into packaged products. This involves cutting and grinding the horseradish into a paste or powder, which is then sealed in containers for distribution. As you can see, this giant vegetable cutting machine is chopping the horseradish into threads like noodles. It's an amazing sight to see, and it's just one of the many ways that this machine can be used. At the end of the production line, the processed horseradish is packed into small plastic cans. Conveyor belts streamline the packaging process, making it much faster. Now you can see these small horseradish cans are ready to be sold in the market. Even though you probably won't eat enough horseradish in one sitting to make much of a difference nutritionally, it's actually really high in vitamin C. In fact, it was once used as a cure for scurvy. It also has decent amounts of folate, potassium, calcium, and manganese. Herbalists often recommend horseradish for sinus remedies and other conditions involving mucus such as colds and flu. This is because horseradish's pungency can help relieve nasal discharge and lung congestion. Thanks so much for watching the video. We hope you found it informative and insightful. Let's know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you.